Dukal 100 Large Waxing Wood Body Hair Removal Sticks Applicator Spatula. Multiple usage. Versatile as craft sticks in DIY projects, these small mixing sticks can be used for liquid and paint stirring. Our eyebrow waxing sticks are easy to store and an essential part of waxing supplies kit. As in the development and manufacturing of medical products, we partner with healthcare professionals to launch innovative solutions to unmet clinical needs. We believe enhancing family and community health is the way to a better future. We are committed to a world where all Dukal team members feel a sense of pride in themselves and their impact on society. We focus on building an energetic and fun-loving culture where all decisions are made with the high levels of integrity. 100 Large Waxing Wood Body Hair Removal Sticks Applicator Spatula. Top reviews from the United States. Good for one-time use. I used this product for waxing legs and armpits, my own personal use. They work fine. No complaints. Once I'm done waxing all areas with the same stick, I throw them out.